guys, I'm Hussein, and I capture whatever this type of species is. And also, by the way, I bought this cool thing.
What the hell are you doing?
Let's see. It's a bike. Don't make my video. Okay. Nice stop that. And it's not moving because it's weak. Yeah, he can fly. I captured when he cannot fly, so I captured him. And he's not doing well.
What the hell are you doing?
Yeah, he's not doing well. Well, I don't need the. I guess I don't need the lid on. Pick up. I touch it. It's a. Oh, it's upside down. Hold on, let me put the lid on.
না কিসের গন্ধ আমার তো কোনো কাপড় চোপড়ে কোনো গন্ধ হওয়ার প্রশ্নই ওঠে না আমি তো জানি না কিসের গন্ধ ছুটছে
Okay.